many is of partners and everything. So you will get to know by the seeing the video. See, some students are not interested in reading book, that's very clear, but looking at the picture they get to know who was, like how Bhagat Singh look like, how Sadguru look like, and the Jhansi Ki Rani, this movie, these kind of movies are also presented by the Film and Television Institute of India. See, now this is your activity. Which film about patriotism do you know? In your words, write a review of one such film that you have liked. Like I have said you to watch Bhagat Singh movie. Now this is patriotism. You can see that movie and you can give your review, okay, how much you like it or not like it. Now till now we have seen some important sources for writing history of modern India. The times in the 21st centuries are changing so rapidly that even these sources will prove to be inadequate. However, new sources are coming forth. For example, during the transformations from telephones to cell phone, gadgets called papers come up with the connecting people, but it died as out quickly and it had come up. The huge amount of information available on the internet used for study history, but the truth and authenticity of these information needs to be verified. See, these things has been changed 21st century. Now we have cell phones. First we have to we use that landline thing. You can dial the number and then you can call. Now you have cell phone, you can roam here and there and you can call. Now the paper things has to be paper things are mostly converted into the computerized things. You can see your worksheets are there in your computer, and these are the rapidly changing. Now it become comparatively easy to study history with all these sources, as these sources are from the contemporary period. They are easily available. Since a subject like history touches all the aspects of our lives, efforts for the preservation of such sources are made at the level. We should also contribute to these efforts. Obviously, first we have to study that independence, post-independence and pre-independence period. Now we have learned the modern history, how the films are changing, how the atmospheres are changing, how we are changing in the educational systems also. Like first you will get only the bookish knowledge. If you want to see something, or if you wanted to do the project, now you have numbers of things you can take the help out, numbers of encyclopedia, Wikipedia, Google and everything you can do, and you can make a project. So this is your activity that you have to come to know. You have to watch Bhagat Singh, or maybe you can see on that Google thing the story reading, and you can give the review. Understand? Thank you all.